Here's a quick tutorial on using CrewTimer with iCrew. So we've got CrewTimer installed on this mobile device. We're going to launch the CrewTimer app. First thing you need to do is tap the menu in the upper left corner, go to Regatta and change the configuration source to crewtimer.com. You'll then need to enter the Regatta credentials as displayed in iCrew. Enter both the mobile ID and the mobile PIN number, then tap Save. Now you've got your 3 seat races set up here in CrewTimer, ready to be timed. So the scenario is you have a coach at the start line running CrewTimer on their mobile device, and a coach at the finish line also running CrewTimer. The coach at the start line is set up in the start position. You can see that by the green checkered flag. The coach at the finish line can switch over by double tapping the green checkered flag and selecting Finish. So that's how you change your timing position in CrewTimer. So we're ready to get this first seat race off. The coach gets the crews ready, calls attention, and go. We hit Add Split, and we assign that start time to the first race by tapping any of these bow tiles. So the race is underway. We'll switch over and pretend we're now at the finish line. And as boats cross the finish line, you just tap the Add Split button and assign it to the bow number. So let's say bow 3 was first to cross. If 2 bows come pretty close together, just hit the Add Split in quick succession, then assign it to the bows in the order they cross. So let's say 1 came in before bow 2 and capture that last bow number. You've now finished timing the first seat race. You can, of course, repeat all this for the next race. We'll get back to the start line, tap Add Split. I'll make a note here too, if you ever had tap Add Split and you don't need that time, you can tap on the trash can and get rid of an entry. Okay, so race 2 is ready to go and they're off. We assign that start time for the second race. And again, over at the finish line, we'll capture 4 times and assign them in the order they came across. Now, the only difference between timing a sprint race and more of a head race is in the head race, the boats are leaving the start line one at a time. So you tap Add Split, tap the bow number of the first boat. Second boat crosses, you hit Add Split, tap their bow number, and repeat that for all the boats. So that's it, a quick tutorial on using CrewTimer and iCrew.